Hi everyone, today we will be going to learn how to write a petition. In most of the spells, we need to write the affirmations or petition along with how we want our spell to perform. So today I'm writing a petition to call money. For example, I need money to pay out my rents or something. For that I need to write a petition. For petition, what you need to do is place the paper on the table. I am taking a green paper. You can take parchment paper because parchment paper will not give a clear vision on camera. So that is why I'm using the green paper. Now what you need to do is take a small piece of a paper. Now if I want something to come to me, for example, I want my love to come to me, so then I will tear it down towards me. If you want something to go away from you, you need to tear it down away from you. Okay, so I'm tearing it towards me because I want things to come to me. Now intentions is very important, because if your intentions are not clear, you cannot perform the right spell. Okay, so I'm tearing it towards me, towards me, towards me, with an intention that money is coming towards me. Then turn it around and towards me, towards me, towards me. Turn it around and towards me, towards me, towards me. Now you can see you won't find the edges are looking very nice, but this is how we wanted. This is the paper. This is how we wanted a paper to look like. Now, for example, let's say Sandra wants money. Okay, so I'm writing the name, whatever the information is available with us. Let's say Sandra Williams. I'm writing the name with surname. Then you need to write down date of birth. So DD YY. So this is how you need to write down the information on the petition paper. Okay, then what you want from the universe, that money. Now if you want something to come to you, then you need to clockwise rotate the paper and write down money. Then again rotate clockwise, then money around Sandra, then money, then money. This is, you need to write down how you write down for money. Then on the top of that, when you are writing the petition, on the top of that, for example, I want money from someone. Let's say I want money from the universe. So I will write clockwise, then write down universe. Okay, universe, then universe, then universe. Same goes for the love also. You need to write down Sandra Williams loves Mary. So then you need to write down love, and then clockwise, and then you need to write love, 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 love from universe, 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 or from that person. So you can write that person's name in clockwise. Okay, this is how you write down. Now you want, I want money as soon as possible, ASP. So this is how you cross. Then turn around the paper and I want money to come to me. This is how you write down. Now your thing is done. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to fold the paper nicely. So if things are coming towards you like money, love, then you need to turn it like this. If you want some people is very toxic in your life, you need to turn around the paper like this. So here I want money to come to me, so I'm putting it towards me. Okay, towards me, then towards me, then towards me, then towards me. Okay, now people ask whether we should perform candle magic or we do Christology. We want to perform herbal. If you are a herbalist, you can work with herbs also. Here I'm just telling you the basic affirmation, how you can write down any affirmation, very basic affirmation how you can write down. Then you can take any crystal. Here I'm taking a 7 chakra selenite tower and I'm placing it on the top of it. You can also take any green color crystal or any raw form of crystal to put it on and place it. Daily energize this thing, you will see the changes. Now this is the type 1 affirmation. We will also try the other affirmation, which is the love attraction affirmation. So when you are writing the affirmations, you want to send the affirmations to the universe. Here I'm tearing it away from me. Okay, here I am tearing away from me. Okay, here I'm tearing the paper away from me. Okay, now your paper won't look nice, but this is how we want it. Now we want affirmation, like for example, I want. Here I want, you won't use, because that is an affirmation where you wanted something. Here we will say I am that. You assume that you are that person. For example, I'm writing, let's say, Rashi loves me. Maybe you find Rashi attractive and you want that person to love you, so you are writing this is an affirmation. So Rashi loves me, I love Rashi, I am confident, I am wealthy, I can do it, I am growing, I am earning well. For example, you might be facing some financial issues and you are not growing, then you write I am growing. And if you are not happy with your earnings, then you can write I am earning well. So this is how you write an affirmation. What you need to do, you just need to burn out the edges of the paper. You can see this is how we burn the edges. You need to burn out the edges of the paper. You need to burn out the edges of the paper. Burning out the edges will really help you. It really helps you to close your affirmation and send it to the universe. Okay, this is how you need to burn out all the edges of your paper. Then what you want affirmation to come to you. Then you fold it 1, 2 and 3. This is how you write affirmation, and you just need to put it in your wish box. You can put it under your crystal, and once your work is done, you find you need to write the another affirmation, you can burn out your affirmations and petitions. So this is how you do it. If you still have questions, feel free to ask me. And if you are interested in any of the rituals courses and you want to learn in detail this how these things works, and you can write these petitions and comment below how is your experience with the petition. And if you still wanted to learn some more things like crystals, candle related stuff, feel free to put your try to connect with us in our WhatsApp. The number is provided below, and this is how we connect with the people and help you to grow. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Have a great day.